Have you ever wondered how to transform your home into a lively Irish-inspired celebration this St. Patrick's Day? Curious how Shamrock's rich green tones and glowing gold accents create such a festive and welcoming atmosphere? Looking for decoration ideas that work beautifully for both cozy home styling and energetic party settings? Want decor tips that blend Irish tradition, cheerful charm, and vibrant celebration? Then stay tuned, because today we're exploring St. Patrick's Day decoration ideas for home and parties, featuring green styling, shamrock accents, and festive touches that bring Irish spirit and joyful energy into your space. What does St. Patrick's Day decor represent? St. Patrick's Day decor celebrates Irish heritage, good fortune, and joyful community spirit. Green symbolises Ireland's lush landscapes, while gold represents prosperity and luck. Shamrocks, rainbows, and leprechaun imagery reflect folklore and tradition, creating a festive atmosphere filled with positivity and celebration. Why is green the dominant colour in St. Patrick's Day decorating? Green represents Ireland's rolling countryside and is strongly tied to Irish national identity. Over time, wearing and decorating with green became a symbol of pride and celebration. Using shades from deep emerald to soft mint creates depth while maintaining a cohesive, festive look. If you love festive decorating ideas, give this video a like and share it with someone planning a St. Patrick's Day celebration. How can I create a balanced green color palette? Combine multiple shades of green, emerald, sage, mint, and forest green, with white, gold, and touches of black for contrast. This layered palette prevents the decor from feeling overwhelming while keeping it visually dynamic. What accent colors complement green decor? Gold accents add warmth and luxury, while white brightens the space. Rainbow touches and hints of orange can also add playful charm, inspired by Irish folklore and the Irish flag. Tell us in the comments your favourite shade of green for St. Patrick's decor. Why are shamrocks central to St. Patrick's Day decor? The shamrock is one of Ireland's most recognised symbols. Traditionally associated with luck and faith, it represents hope, unity and renewal. Incorporating shamrocks instantly creates an authentic Irish festive feel. How can I decorate with shamrocks creatively? Use shamrock garlands, wall decals, table confetti, or fabric prints. You can also create DIY shamrock cutouts from green paper or felt to decorate windows, walls, and party tables. For more DIY decorating inspiration, check out our playlist in the description below. How can I decorate for a St. Patrick's Day party? Use green balloons, shamrock banners, and gold streamers to set a festive tone. Add themed photo backdrops, rainbow decor, and fairy lights to create an energetic celebration space. What lighting enhances the party mood? Warm fairy lights, green LED accents, and candle lanterns create a glowing, festive atmosphere. Soft lighting adds warmth, while coloured lights boost the party vibe. Subscribe for more holiday party decorating ideas and celebration guides. What centerpieces work best? Create centerpieces using green flowers, mason jars wrapped with ribbons, or gold-painted bottles. Add shamrock cutouts or small rainbow accents for a playful touch. Love these festive table ideas? Find similar decor items linked in the description below. How can I decorate my living room for St. Patrick's Day? Add green throw pillows, cozy blankets, shamrock wall art, and gold accent pieces. A simple wreath or garland can instantly create a festive focal point. What makes a welcoming St. Patrick's entryway? Hang a shamrock wreath on the door, place a green doormat, and add lanterns or potted plants to greet guests with festive charm. For more home styling inspiration, explore our similar videos listed in the description. What are easy DIY decorations families can make? Create paper shamrocks, rainbow garlands, and painted mason jars. Kids can decorate clover shapes or paint gold lucky coins to scatter around the table. How can crafts make the celebration more meaningful? DIY decorations add a personal touch and create shared memories. Handmade items reflect creativity and bring warmth and authenticity to the celebration. If you enjoy creative seasonal crafts, make sure to subscribe for more inspiration every week. How can I decorate for St. Patrick's Day on a budget? Use green paper decorations, repurpose glass jars, create DIY shamrock cutouts, and incorporate greenery from your garden. Simple touches can create a festive look without overspending. St. Patrick's Day decorating is about celebrating joy, luck, and Irish heritage through vibrant green tones, shamrock symbols, and festive accents. Whether you're hosting a party or adding seasonal charm to your home, combining greenery, gold touches, and DIY crafts creates a warm and lively atmosphere. Embrace creativity, invite good fortune, and let your home shine with festive Irish spirit. If you enjoyed these St. Patrick's Day decorating ideas, like this video and share it with friends planning a celebration. Tell us your favourite St. Patrick's Day decoration or lucky tradition. Explore our holiday decor playlist in the description for more festive inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more seasonal decorating and celebration ideas. Looking for more party inspiration? Check out similar videos linked below. Find the decor items featured in this video through the links in the description.